Hi everybody, welcome to SimplyScuba. In today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the Santi 11 hood. So as the name suggests, 11mm, very thick, warm hood for cold water, keeping your head nice and warm. This is exactly how it arrives. Minimal packaging. We put it in a paper bag when we're shipping it from SimplyScuba.com in our warehouse. But from Santi, all you really get is this sort of paper inner, which helps protect it from just being crushed in transportation and storage. So taking that out, we can take a better look at the hood itself. So yeah, this is a very thick hood, 11mm thick, so incredible insulation over your head. Keeping your head nice and warm in cold waters goes a long way to keeping the rest of your body nice and warm, because that's how heat is lost through the body in a lot of cases, is sort of coming out of the head. This is a bibless design, so it doesn't have the bib that ends up going around your neck. So it's great for dry suits because it doesn't have to tuck in underneath anywhere. It just covers your head and your neck and just insulates it, keeps it nice and warm. All on the inside, if I show you, it's all this sort of glide skin-like material. There's no sort of internal lining, there's no fabric. It's all this glide skin material, so that creates an effective seal all over your head, and if any water does make its way in, it has to work quite hard to sort of migrate around inside of it. It's all blind stitch as well, so there's no seams on the inside that are going to rub against your skin. Again, so very soft and comfortable. You actually have plenty of these vents, though there are small holes all over the top of the hood, and those will work in tangent with extra holes on the inside in slightly different locations, so that any air on the inside of the hood can escape out of the top, but any water trying to get in can't, because there's two layers of neoprene, so the water has to go some to actually get into the hood. But that's mainly there for when you're ascending. Gas will escape when you're doing your initial descent, but then when you're when you're ascending at the end of the dive, any gas that's still on the inside of the hood when you've been clearing your mask or whatever it is, any gas on the inside is going to start to expand. And to save your hood from just expanding on top of your head, you have these vents, so that allows any expanding excess gas to just vent out of the top, and it keeps the hood in position. So all in all, very, very thick, heavy hood. This is for long dives or diving in particularly cold areas where you do need that extra insulation to keep the heat just evaporating or radiating from your head. But yeah, otherwise just a nice, simple, pretty tough feeling hood. Nice neoprene. The neoprene itself feels very soft. It's quality neoprene. It's not the cheap stuff that you can find on some hoods. Nice subtle design in it. You've got sort of the 11 with the Santi on it, but otherwise, yeah, a nice simple hood, nice and thick, so for cold water or really longer dives. More information on our website, SimplyScuba.com. There's going to be a link down in the description below, so you can check it out and buy it from us at SimplyScuba. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.